Question number 1. Which is the highest gateway in India? Option A, Buland Darwaja. B, Gateway of India. C, India Gate. D, Char Minar. Answer is option A, Buland Darwaja. Question number 2. Which is the famous place located in Mysore? Option A, Mysuru Palace. B, Umaid Bhavan Palace. C, Amber Palace. D, Hawa Mahal. Answer is option A, Mysuru Palace. Question number 3. Where is Ranthambore National Park located? Option A, Gujarat. B, Rajasthan. C, Madhya Pradesh. D, Uttar Pradesh. Answer is option B, Rajasthan. Question number 4. Which is the official language of India as per the Constitution? Option A, English. B, Hindi. C, Sanskrit. D, Urdu. Answer is option B, Hindi. Question number 5. Which language is primarily spoken in the Indian state of Kerala? Option A, Tamil. B, Kannada. C, Malayalam. D, Telugu. Answer is option C, Malayalam. Question number 6. Which state is also known as the Fruit Bowl of India? Option A, Jammu and Kashmir. B, Himachal Pradesh. C, Assam. D, Meghalaya. Answer is option B, Himachal Pradesh. Question number 7. Which Indian language is also called classical language? Option A, Hindi. B, Bengali. C, Sanskrit. D, Marathi. Answer is option C, Sanskrit. Question number 8. Which movement was launched by Mahatma Gandhi in 1942? Option A, Non-Cooperation Movement. B, Civil Disobedience Movement. C, Quit India Movement. D, Swadeshi Movement. Answer is option C, Quit India Movement. Question number 9. Which of the following languages is written from right to left? Option A, Kannada. B, Bengali. C, Urdu. D, Tamil. Answer is option C, Urdu. Question number 10. What is the main judicial organ of the United Nations? Option A, General Assembly. B, International Court of Justice. C, United Nations Security Council. D, International Criminal Court. Answer is option B, International Court of Justice. Question number 11. Which organ of the United Nations coordinates the economic and social work? Option A, General Assembly. B. Economic and Social Council, C. Security Council, D. International Monetary Fund. Answer is option B. Economic and Social Council. Question number 12. Which of the following is a specialized agency of the United Nations? Option A. NATO, B. WHO, C. OPEC, D. G20. Answer is option B. WHO. Question number 13. What is the full form of UNICEF? Option A. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund, B. United Nations Industrial Children's Emergency Fund, C. United Nations Integrated Children's Economic Fund, D. United Nations International Central Emergency Fund. Answer is option A. United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Question number 14. Where is the headquarters of the United Nations located? Option A. Geneva, B. London, C. Paris, D. New York. Answer is option D. New York. Question number 15. Which country is the largest financial contributor to the United Nations? Option A. China, B. Japan, C. United States, D. Germany. Answer is option C. United States. Question number 16. Which of the following is not a principal organ of the United Nations? Option A. Security Council, B. International Monetary Fund, C. International Court of Justice, D. General Assembly. Answer is option B. International Monetary Fund. Question number 17. Which is the official language of the United Nations? Option A. Arabic, B. English, C. Russian, D. All of the above. Answer is option D. All of the above. Question number 18. Which body of the United Nations is responsible for amending the UN Charter? Option A. General Assembly, B. Security Council, C. Economic and Social Council, D. International Court of Justice. Answer is option A. General Assembly. Question number 19. How often is the President of the General Assembly elected? Option A. Every year, B. Every 2 years, C. Every 5 years, D. Every 10 years. Answer is option A. Every year. Question number 20. What is the UN specialized agency concerned with international public health? Option A, World Health Organization. B, International Monetary Fund. C, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. D, International Labour Organization. Answer is option A, World Health Organization. Question number 21. Which of the following is a veto power holder in the UN Security Council? Option A, United Kingdom. B, Brazil. C, India. D, South Africa. Answer is option A, United Kingdom. Question number 22. Which of the following country is a member of SAARC? Option A, China. B, Bangladesh. C, Myanmar. D, Thailand. Answer is option B, Bangladesh. Question number 23. Which of the following computer generation uses the concept of artificial intelligence? Option A, first generation. B, second generation. C, third generation. D, fifth generation. Answer is option D, fifth generation. Question number 24. What is the full form of UPS? Option A, United Parcel Service. B, Uniform Product Support. C, Under Power Supply. D, Uninterruptible Power Supply. Answer is option D, Uninterruptible Power Supply. Question number 25. UNIVAC is option A, Universal Automatic Computer. B, Universal Array Computer. C, Unique Automatic Computer. D, Unvalued Automatic Computer. Answer is option A, Universal Automatic Computer.